welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting for me because I'm doing yet again another tag. So I have been tagged by Mel from Mel's Makeup and Style channel to do this tag video, which is called the Long Lip TAG. Now this tag was originally created by Sherri Ward, and I will also link her video down on the description box together with Mel's video and Mel's channel. So I was really happy when I've seen that Mel tagged me, because you may probably know that I'm lipstick addicted, and I even have done recently a favorite lip video for 2019. So yeah, I love talking about lipstick. So if this kind of tag is created, I'm more than happy and thankful that I've been included in. So there are 15 questions which I've written here on this paper. I've recently realized that I prefer to read from the paper instead of reading from the computer. Even though I'm an artist as a profession, sometimes I prefer something more concrete as a paper. My mind is already starting to think on lippies. So let's start with the first question, but before doing that, I would like to remind you, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the red button and also to ring the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I upload once or two times per week nowadays because I'm more busy. I'm also a mom and a full-time worker. I need to find free time to film and edit my videos to keep up with my passion, with my hobby here, that is my YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead and start with the questions of this tag. The first question: what is your favorite nonsense, always works, go-to lippy? For this, the answer, my friend, is the Nars Audacious in shade Anita. You might already been sick of hearing me talking about this product, but the good part is that it's almost over. I have just a little bit left, so probably after that I will stop rambling if I will not repurchase it, because I'm thinking to repurchase, but I have some other shades which are similar to this on my collection. So from this reason I'm thinking that if I need to purchase it again or wait a bit. So this is the swatch. This is the Nars Audacious in shade Anita, which is my go-to nonsense, always works lippy. And speaking about the dupes for the Nars Audacious Anita, now I have found this Rimmel Lasting Finish Extreme lipstick in shade Blush Touch. It's a bit more creamier and a bit more on the nudish side, whilst the Anita is a bit more toward pink, but the difference is slightly noticeable on the lips. The second question: what lippy color family do you prefer? Nudes, pinks, reds or vamps? Of course, I'm a nude type of a girl. Favorite MAC lippy, if you have one? Well, I have a favorite MAC lipstick that is a satin lipstick in the shade Twig, with this one over here, and I'm even wearing it today on my lips. So this is a bit slightly bit darker than the Anita and the Rimmel one, and has more brown to it. I don't know how noticeable it's on the camera, but yeah, this is my favorite fall, even winter lipstick. We don't have this question here, no? No, it's only fall. Okay, so this is the answer for the fall lipstick, the MAC in the shade Twig. What is your favorite spring lippy? I have the Bare Minerals lipstick in the shade Tease. So this is how it looks like, and this is how it swatches. It has a bit of a sheen to it, but it's not noticeable and is not bothering on the lips. So I love this lipstick on spring. The sixth question. What is your favorite summer lippy? The answer for that is the YSL Rouge Volupté Shine. I have it in the shade 34 and is this guy. Actually, this is my all-time favorite lipstick. So this is more of a balm, but it has some stain to it. So once it will be on your lips, it will stay for a long time, and it's also hydrating and providing a smoothness for your lips, which will last all day even after the shade might fade. So during summer I prefer more creamy formulas, and I also want to include here the Rouge Coco by Chanel in shade Suzy, which is kind of similar texture. So those are more balmy, and I love those shades, more reddish shades during summer. I think most of people are wearing red lipsticks during winter. However, I prefer to wear my red lipsticks during summer when I'm not wearing so much makeup. But yeah, my favorite it is the Rouge Volupté Shine, and I also love the Coco Chanel. So if I'm allowed to add 2 lipsticks here, I hope. The next question. What is your favorite lip balm, lip mask and lip treatment? My favorite lip balm, I just finished it. It will be soon on my empties video, is by Neutrogena. So I will insert a clip of me showing you that lipstick. I think I have shown you on one of my last year monthly favorites. So if I will find that clip, I will put it here on the screen. And again, I have one here that is not sitting on the line. Yes, this is the problem with curly girls, that sometimes your hair, it has its own life or its own meaning. Favorite lip mask. I would not say that this is actually favorite, but I like it. So I know that this is a lip mask and is by Laneige. I have it in the shade Berry, and this is how much I have used. So I have it from 1 year, and I think I have used like 1/4 or even a bit more. Lip treatment I do not have, so I can also include this as a lip treatment because my lips are tending to get dry, but I don't need to treat them. I don't have a special problem. They are not cracked, they are not exfoliating also, so I don't need to pay them a special treatment, let's say like that. What is your favorite lip scrub? My all-time favorite lip scrub is by E.L.F. I had several shades or fragrance or flavors. I had the minty one, I have the natural in brown sugar, and I think I also had the cherry. Now I have the coconut one, and as you can tell, I used a lot of it, so I love this and I will repurchase for sure. What is your favorite brand and shade of lip gloss? It's question number 9. My favorite lip gloss brand is by Urban Decay. This is called Ultra Cussion Lip Gloss. This is how it looks like. And this is how it swatches. I'm not such a big lip gloss person. I do not have so many lip glosses in my collection. Maybe I have 5 or 6 together with this. But if I am to wear a lip gloss, I usually wear it when I'm wearing a matte lipstick that I feel it's drying out my lips, or sometimes when I'm only using a lip liner to define and fill the interior of my lips, and then I will apply the lip gloss on the top. So those are the conditions that make me to wear a lip gloss. What I love about this gloss in particular, and I also had in the past other lip gloss from Urban Decay. They were called naked lip glosses. I've gone through 3 lip glosses in the past from Urban Decay. I love the fact that it is not sticky and it doesn't make your lipstick to bleed on outside of your contour, and it's quite long lasting. So I will apply a bit on my lips because I was wanting to do that, but I want to show you how it looks like. I don't know if the viewfinder will be enough. I'll try. I usually prefer to add it more on the center so you can see. Also, it's a bit minty, so if you don't like this kind of finish or fragrance on your lippy, just be aware. This scent, however, it fades in a couple of minutes, so you don't feel this sensation all the time. But it's not powerful, it's just slight. The question number 10. Do you like lip toppers? I do not have any lip topper. If a lip gloss can be called lip topper, then maybe I can say that also the answer for this is Urban Decay, but I do not own a special lip topper, so from this reason the answer for this is no. Question number 11. What is your favorite lippy format? Mattes, creams, satins, liquid lipsticks? Well, I can say that my favorite formats are creams and satins. What is your favorite high-end lippy brand is the question number 12. Well, I don't have too many lipsticks from the same brand. I have 2 or 3 from Nars, also the same from Chanel or from Bobbi Brown, so I love them both, but I didn't try experience so many other shades or formulas from this brand. And from this reason I was recently looking on my collection, and I have seen that the most lipsticks from the high-end brand that I have are from MAC. Here I have 5, and I have another one which I don't know exactly where it is. I put it in another occasion and I was not able to find it. But yeah, I can tell that my favorite high-end lip brand is MAC. What is your favorite drugstore affordable lippy brand is the question number 13. Also, I don't have so many drugstore lipsticks, but my collection is starting to grow. But I have the most of my lips from a drugstore. My collection are coming from Maybelline, and I actually love the Maybelline brand. So yeah, I can tell that my favorite lippy brand from the drugstore is the Maybelline. Question number 14. Lip liner, yay or nay? Favorite liner? Well, definitely yay. I almost always 99.99% use a lip liner, and my favorite lip liner is by Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Bel Air. So is this one from here, and it matches with all the lippies that I have on my hand. The last question, a lippy trend you loved and a lippy trend you hated. When I was on my 20s, I was loving purple lipsticks. Dark purple even. I don't know why I was thinking that it's looking nice with me, but I was so much into purple lippies. I will see if I'm able to find an old photo of me wearing a purple lipstick. Probably it will be on the paper format. I will pop it here on the screen. But yeah, this was a trend that I loved. And a trend that I hate, I think it was running mostly on the same period or even earlier while I was on my high school. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but there was that trend that you were having a very dark contour, like dark brown or even black contour or lip pencil, and then you were even wearing your lips bare, or you were wearing a nude or a red lipstick, and I know that contrast or that trend wasn't for me. I was mostly sticking with my purple lip addiction. We also have a bonus question, and this is: what is your ride or die, can't live without, life will have no meaning lippy? Is a lip balm. I will not name a certain brand, but currently I'm using the E.L.F lip balm. And I have another backup from E.L.F, so this is in the shade, I think, Sherri. But my lips are dry, so I cannot stand to feel them without moisture. So all the time I have around me, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, on my office, on my purse, I have a lip balm. I cannot live without a lip balm. Okay guys, so those were all the questions, and I want to thank again Mel for tagging me for this fun tag, and also to thank Sherri for creating this tag. And I will link both Mel and Sherri channels down below on the description box together with their answers for this tag, so I will also link their videos. And I also want to tag 5 of my YouTube friends to do this tag, and those are Jackie Naturals, Robin Beauty Over 50, All Misty, Everything Proof Beauty, and Kate White. That was all today. If you are interested in any of these lippies, I will have everything linked down below on the description box. But I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I hope you will subscribe if you enjoy what you see, and you will come back for more videos like this. And I want to wish you all to have a great blessed day ahead. I will see you again on my next video. Okay.